Look, firstly, don't be cowboys and allow people to just use every tool in the world, especially
Mhm.
not buying every tool in the world, because that licensing cost quickly builds up. And you
Yeah.
probably already have tools that can do some of that work. And this is such an important part of our conversation, everyone. There are, I mean, I use, so often on my screen, I've got ChatGPT paid for, I've got Perplexity, which is amazing for research. I use DeepSeek a lot. It's probably the best reasoning model. And people say, would you want to send your data to China? No, but I also don't want to send it to Silicon Valley either. So, which means I use it very specifically. It's not any confidential information about myself or clients, etc. It's about trends, it's research. But then, and I know I speak about Copilot a lot, there are other tools. It's you need a ring-fenced system that keeps your data in your organization and that the external model is not trained on your data. But the other thing that's important is that your Active Directory or your access levels are set up correctly. So,